One of the things you check before going on a road trip is your battery. But do you know how old your battery is? Today, we are going to learn where to look for the manufacturer date stamp on your battery. Where is the date stamp? Most battery manufacturers heat stamp a date code into the case of the battery. It's often found along the edge of the case of the battery. There is no standardized format for this, but usually this code is several characters long, giving the date information in the first two characters in the sequence. The first character will be a number from 0 through 9 that corresponds to the last digit in the year in which the battery was manufactured. For example, a 5 would mean 2015. The second character is a letter that refers to the month the battery was made. The letters A through L directly correspond to January through December. For example, the letter L would mean December. Putting it together, 5L indicates a manufactured date of December 2015. These characters can be interchangeable, so 5L and L5 mean the same thing. If there is no code on the battery, you'll need to estimate its age based on the sticker or its appearance. The amount of corrosion on and around the terminal is an indicator of age. The more of it there is, the older the battery is. Car, truck, and RV batteries have a finite life, so it's important to know when a battery was manufactured. So when should you replace your battery? Well, that depends on your regional climate, temperatures, personal driving habits, and the amount of maintenance you've provided your battery. Typically, you're looking at a lifespan of about 3 to 5 years, with 3 being the most common. So the next time before taking that road trip, note how old your battery is. If questionable, have it tested and replaced. Knowing how old your battery will avoid costly downtime and contribute to safe travels. Check out our other how-to videos, and as always, happy camping!